Is your pool losing water? Is it evaporation or is it a leak? How to go about telling the difference. With the Texas heat, that might just be normal, or you might have a leak. Here's how to tell the difference. As a pool builder here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, this is a common question that we get, especially during the hotter summer months. So what is normal evaporation in DFW? So with the Texas heat, it's not uncommon to lose a quarter to even up to half an inch of water per day in a pool. Wind and humidity can increase these rates. So some potential signs of possibly having a leak are going to be if you are losing more than half an inch of water per day. Also look for visible wet spots around the surrounding areas in the yard. Look for cracks in the pool, cracks in the decking around the pool. If you have a lot of air bubbles coming out of the return lines, that can be an initial sign as well. And then autofills. If you have an autofill and it's constantly running, that's a clear indicator that there could potentially be a leak. If you do want to run a test, something like a bucket test is a great way to determine if you have a leak. This is something that you can easily just find on YouTube, how to do a bucket test on a pool to see if you have a leak. Is a great way to figure that out. So a great next step, if you feel that you potentially do have a leak, would just be getting a professional out to take a look at the pool, potentially do a leak detection. If you have any questions about your pool, it's always worth getting clear answers.